What up, folks? Me and King are out here for Maiden Voyage on the Fish Pro out in Half Moon Bay. We're gonna try and catch a salmon. I don't know how to catch a salmon. I've never targeted a salmon, but I don't know. We'll try. Otherwise, we'll go kill some rockfish. Super pumped to try this thing out. We got big plans for this thing. Let's kill some rockfish first, just to get used to this. King and I usually go to Santa Cruz. We got tons of spots marked out there. We crush it pretty much every time. This is our first time fishing in Half Moon Bay, so I have no idea where the fish are at all, but we will find them. Let's go 5 minutes, right? Do you want to keep that or no? He's peeing! Here. Oh, I'm getting bit. Oh, I got bit. Do you want to trade? You want to keep it? Nice. That was a waste of bait. Oh dang, dude, look at that. How the hell did you get in that?
I know, that's what I said.
Can you get the pliers or in the... Okay, reset. That's a good spot. Yeah. Told you, dude, the pinnacle. This pinnacle is so sick. Well, dude, they got to be able to get the hook, though. I mean, I don't even know if I'm going to drop until we get there. I'm going to go off here pretty quick. You want to keep this one? Blacks are good. Black rockfish. See that white line, like kind of skunky? That's a black rockfish. One more time. Dude, look right here. Look at the top of that. It's a little wider. What? What did... The fish took a chunk out of it just now? Can you do that, Rod, when you have a minute? You got it. Thank you, sir. Oh, it's right here stacked. Phew! Another black.
Yeah, the top one's gone.
Here. Drop it down. It's stacked right here. Guarantee you get hit on the way down. It's just like a little bumpy, yeah. We're just getting shallow and shallower. We're like 30 right now. good, yeah. Damn it, that was good too. Dude, I didn't do it on purpose. Like in a hole? Or if, oh yeah, just a hole. You stuck? You got it or no?
Big hole, right?
That was funny. Yeah, it's a hole. I got another little tiny fish. Wasting my bait. Missing the whole trip. Yeah, just get a hitchhiker here. Oh, came alive. That black. That's my last black. Oh, dude, that's a good black. Oh, oh, oh. That's right, I got the fish. Woo, that's a good black. Look at that, boy. What do you think? Something new? Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we got that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more, dude. Last drift.
I got real last.
You have no hooks? Wait, you have no hooks? This kid, my anchor back here. That's your new nickname. I'm gonna call you Anchor Man from now on. Do something different for this trip. Oh, they just knocked over all the squids in there. Up, okay? I guarantee you're gonna snag.
No, I won't. You want that?
Yes, I do want that. You don't know how not to snag.
Drop it on the bottom and you'll know what.
Fishy right here. Don't do too many. Yeah, it's getting shallow. It just went from 50 to 39. You snagged? Nope, nope, not a fish. Oh wait, this one. Can you get that off or no? Broke it off. Jeez. Black, guaranteed. This feels like a fatty. Black. Must have had a hitchhiker there for a minute, dude. There's no way that guy was pulling like that. Yeah. Are there any marks on him? No. Shut your mouth. Let's see. I'm not getting the snack right here. I just let the dude, no marks whatsoever. Alright, well that's a wrap for day one of Fish Pro. No salmon. I don't know how to go for salmon. I got to figure that out. But rockfish, which we're pretty good at. Will you wrap that up? Got it? Yeah, so anyways, love this little ski though. It's pretty fun. Super rough out today, but we handled it well. You got it? Or do you want? Yeah. No, I'm good. I'm good. All right, until next time, we're gonna motor back.